Welcome to another edition of Mr. Scott's super exciting social studies videos. With this one, we are going to show you how to sign up for an account in order to do your comic strip for the Middle Passage slavery introduction that we are doing. Remember on these comic strips that it's supposed to show a slave's passage through the Middle Passage. So they're kind of starting in Africa, going across the Atlantic Ocean, ending up either in Central America, South America, or probably more commonly in the United States. So kind of think through that as you go. Also, as a heads up, this video is being made just after the big Indiana University victory over the Michigan Wolverines. They are now Big Ten champs, so you'll probably notice just a little more enthusiasm, spirit, happiness in my voice. I imagine all of you are feeling the same way, unless you are Michael Cross. So as we make this video, first of all, you will be using the 7th grade social studies group, and for whatever reason the link in resources is not working the way that we'd like it to. So in announcements there is this new link that's posted, and it does work correctly. So if you click on that, it will eventually load, and this is the spot you will use to make your comic strip. There are all kinds of options that you'll find once you start to make, but the first thing you need to do is sign up for an account. And to do that, you'll go up to this corner where it says Design Yourself, and you will do just that, Design Yourself. You're making your avatar, your character that fits with you. It is a pretty detailed process. They walk through everything that you need. If I were going to make this, I think this is approximately my skin tone. I do not know the shape of my face. I will just pick that one. My hair color is somewhere around there. While I would like for my hair to be that long, no, I would not like for my hair to be that long. We will go short. So as you can see, it's going to walk you through all the details of creating your avatar. Yes, that is the old Devin Ewing look. I didn't mean to pick that, but that's alright, we'll go with it. I have no idea what the shape of my jaw is. Yes, I don't know. Let's just go with this. Even everything down to eyebrows. Since about the age of 4, I've had big eyebrows. Your eye shape, I don't know, I'm just going to go with the first one. Pupil shape, whoa, yeah, some of these are really creepy. Again, I'll just pick the first one just to kind of go through it. Same thing here. Again, you could get extremely detailed as you go with it, but you don't necessarily have to. This isn't the important part. I have no idea. Alright, there, we'll just go again with the first one. You can go detailed to look like an old person. You can go, again, I'm just going to click through. Just for fun, we are going to pick some facial hair, and it is obviously going to be the standalone mustache. Do you wear glasses? No, but for this we will, and they will be these glasses. How tall are you? I am average. I don't know what I'm wearing with these cut-off shorts. Obviously the most buff available fits Mr. Scott. And outfit, let's see, sporty. Let's try that and see how it works. Oops. Select an outfit. Oh, the baseball player outfit. Or, yeah. Some of these are pretty goofy. Let's go with this one just because I like the socks. Alright, and next, and I would suggest just going, no, it's like this. You don't need to spend time fine-tuning it. That's going to be wasted time. Once you have done that, here's the key part. We definitely do not want to do this. You won't be able to do it at school. There's no point in it. You are going to sign up using your username and password that you have used for everything at school. So whatever that is, when you log on to your computer, I'm going to just type one in that is made up. You do not do this again. You use your school one, and password is whoops. And how old are you? It does not matter. You can put whatever age you want. I'm going to be 1. Parents email, whoops, I guess you better not put 1. I'm going to put 72. Okay. Email, you're going to use your My Big Campus email. And to be honest, I don't know what mine is, but it is something at mybigcampus.com. Be sure yours is correct. Again, I'm just going through this for time's sake, but be sure yours is correct. And then you're going to click I've read and agree to the terms of use. If you want to read them, obviously you can, but you don't necessarily need to. After this is done, you'll come to a screen where you can pick your profile picture. I'm going to be, I don't know what some of these are. I want to be flying through the air, and that will be saved, and that is my avatar pick. Would you like to download a copy? No, you don't need to do that. Now, after this is done, it automatically puts 3 of your avatar people in the first 3 panels of your comic strip. You can either leave those, or if you want to delete them out, you just click on them and click backspace. Remember, again, for yours, you will use 6 panels, and for whatever reason that number does not show up, but I did just type a 6, and obviously it gave me 6 panels. The title of your strip needs to be something that fits the topic. So Middle Passage, slavery, something along those lines. And as you start to create, you'll be able to use anything up here as far as the people. You can see there's obviously lots more people. You can use any of them that you choose. Again, it needs to fit the topic. So if I want to leave myself in there and then put somebody else in there as well, I can do that. Barry is going to be in there with me. You'll see how to do lots of other things. Insert text bubbles this way, saying whatever you want them to say. Remember, you can change the background simply by going to this, and there are lots of different backgrounds that you could choose. So feel free to scroll through those. Some of you will get into this and make it more detailed. Others will just get the basics, and that's fine. I would encourage you just to have some fun with it, play around with it. You'll see lots of different things as you start to work. Once you are finished, there is a save button down here. And even as you're going, there is a save button. So at the end of the class period, if there are a couple minutes left, you'll want to click save here, and it'll automatically save it to your account. You may potentially have to come and log in order to get to it the next time, or it may be automatically saved when you go to the website. I'm not sure, but you will be able to get to it. When you are done completely, you'll go down here to the bottom, and when you're ready to turn yours in, it is due Friday at the latest, but you can turn it in any time between now and Friday. You will click Publish Now. Oops. And it's going to say you have to confirm your account. And in order to confirm your account, you're going to have to go to your My Big Campus and check there. And it'll give you a link that you have to click. It'll give you something to click. So that's why you need to make sure your My Big Campus email is typed in there correctly. Mine was made up. There's no My Big Campus email like this, so obviously I'm not going to get to it. But eventually, you will be able to go down to where we had that, and you'll publish it. And you'll just it'll give you a link that you'll highlight and copy. And we will take that link eventually. It'll be just like some sort of a link up here. And I'm just highlighting and copying. And when you're ready to turn it in, you'll go to My Big Campus and 7th grade social studies, and you will see in discussions that there is a discussion for every class period. So you'll click on whatever one you're in, whichever one it happens to be, the best period of the day, and you'll post your link there. Your name will automatically show up with it, so you don't need to include that, but you will just post that link. Okay, I'm not going to post that because that will show up on that discussion. We don't need it to. But that's eventually how you will turn yours in. Okay, so remember, that is due Friday, and this should be done only after the first 2 sides of your worksheet are done. But hopefully that helps. Feel free, obviously, to let Mrs. White or myself know if there are questions through us if we are in class, or by sending them through conversations if you need to, if you're working at home or things like that. Anyway, have fun with it. Go Hoosiers. Big Ten champs.